Introduction to different types of databases and their real-world applications. This training video will provide an overview of various database models, their characteristics, and how they are used in real-world systems across different industries. Welcome to our database training. Identify major database types. Understand the structure and limitations. Match real-world uses with databases. Evaluate choices on performance criteria. Here are critical database types and their applications. Relational databases store data in structured formats. Key features: organized in tables with fixed schemas. Use cases: ideal for transactional systems like banking. NoSQL databases cater to unstructured data needs. Key features: flexibility in storing various data types. Use cases: great for social media platforms. Object-oriented databases manage complex data relationships. Key features: data is represented as objects. Use cases: used in software development. Hierarchical databases use tree structures. Key features: data is organized in parent-child relationships. Use cases: suitable for organizational structures. Cloud databases offer scalability via the cloud. Key features: accessed over the internet without local servers. Use cases: ideal for scalable web applications. Let's review with some practical real-world scenarios. A bank uses relational databases for transactions. What benefits do they gain? Identify. Ensure secure, structured data management. Conclude. Reliable transactions with quick data access. A tech company leverages NoSQL for user data. How does it perform? Evaluate. Understand rapid data scalability. Conclusion. Superior flexibility with diverse data types. Understand database types and their applications. Recognize strengths and weaknesses of each type. Know when to choose relational versus NoSQL. Appreciate database structures and management. Now that you've learned about database usage, try creating basic projects using SQL and NoSQL to observe differences in action. Thank you for participating in our database training session.